So time division multiplexing. So in this video we are going to discuss how to implement the time division multiplexing in Matlab. So first let's understand what is time division multiplexing. It's a method of transmitting and receiving the independent signals over a common signal path by the means of synchronized switches at the each end of the transmission line, so that each signal appears on the line only for a fraction of time in alternating pattern. It is used when the bitrate of the transmission medium exceeds that of the signal to be transmitted. Let's see the figure here. Here we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 channels at the input side, that is the sending side, and over a high bitrate channel these signals are transmitted, and at the receiving end we are again reconstructing all those signals. Let's see how to implement it in Matlab. So I have made a graphics user interface for this, so let's see that. Okay, let's execute the script. First input signal, second input signal. First channel is having a Gaussian pulse, second channel is having a triangular signal. Sample Gaussian pulse, sample triangular pulse. Now we are mixing these two pulses and transmitting them in a TDM signal. So this is time division multiplexing signal. Now we have to recover those signals. So these are two recovered signals which are exactly same like the Gaussian pulse and triangular pulse. Now we are going to see how it's done. Okay, let's see the script quickly. First part is generation of the signals. We are generating two signals. Signal 1 is a Gaussian pulse, signal 2 is a triangular pulse. Now we are plotting those two signals with the help of this script over here. And now comes the part where we sample these signals with the help of command stem. This is the script for sampling the signal. This is the script for mixing these two signals and script for plotting these two signals. Then again we have to retrieve the signals with the help of command reshape, and again we have to plot these retrieved signals on the respective axes. So that was the video, guys. Okay guys, thanks a lot for watching the video. Please do subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubts or queries, let me know in the comment section.